Hey family, today we're going to do lasagna soup. Let's get to cooking. All right, I've added 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to add 1/2 of a yellow onion. Then we're going to add our Italian sausage. And we're going to cook that until it is brown. While our Italian sausage are halfway done, we're going to add oregano, thyme, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Then we'll stir that in. Next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 cup of crushed tomatoes, and 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes, and we'll give that a stir. Let's add in our 32 ounce of chicken stock, and we're going to break up the oven ready noodles. Now we're going to add the oven ready lasagna noodles, so you don't have to boil these, and all we're going to do is break them and put them in, simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and your lasagna will be ready. Hi family, this is the finished product and presentation of the lasagna soup. I'm trying to do something a little different on my videos where I don't talk as much as I did from my prior videos. So I want you guys to let me know if you like the quicker, short videos to where I just get down to the ingredients and the food and show you how to cook it, and then at the end come back and actually show you how I plated it. Again, this is the lasagna soup. It is so delicious, you guys. You're gonna have to try it. Now I use the hot Italian sausage. Of course you can use the mild or the regular, but to me the hot kicked it up a notch or two. Okay, with that being said, I want to thank all of my new subscribers. I want to thank my ride or die subscribers. Thank you guys so much for continuing to watch my videos. This is 2024, you guys. Let's ramp it up. Please comment, share, and subscribe. And Mrs. O will see you on the next video. God bless you. Stay safe. Be kind. And out of everything we do, always put God first. Bless you guys.